Celeste, Grandpa Cosmo said, his voice deep and warm, like an ancient planet. Have you ever wondered why we are here? Why there is an Earth at all? The Earth didn't begin as this blue marble. It was a swirling hot scrap of cosmic dust left over after our sun was born about 4 billion years ago. In that chaos, pieces of rock and metal crashed and stuck together. Like a giant cosmic snowball, it grew bigger and bigger, generating intense heat that melted everything inside. Then came the giant impact. A planet the size of Mars slammed into the young Earth, spraying its material into space. From that cloud of cosmic debris, our own moon was born. Over millions of years, the surface cooled. Huge clouds of steam escaped from the core and arrived on cold comets. It rained for thousands of years, creating the first great ocean. The ocean was the cradle of life. In those salty waters, energized by sunlight and volcanic heat, the very first living cells, smaller than a grain of sand, began to swim and multiply. Across billions of years, life evolved, from simple creatures underwater to immense forests and gigantic animals roaming the land. The Earth changed many times. It was covered in ice, struck by asteroids, and shook by supervolcanoes. But life always found a way to hold on, to adapt, and to grow stronger. So why is there an Earth, Grandpa Cosmo? Celeste asked. He smiled and pointed to his heart. Because it had everything. The perfect balance, just the right distance from the sun, and one essential thing. It was waiting for you. Someone who would look up at the stars and appreciate this perfect blue home. The Earth exists because we exist, Celeste.